This is From Russia with Hope. Today is the 23rd of February 2021 and I decided to start recording videos devoted to situation in Russia from my point of view. I will read this sheet. These videos will not be edited. I just plan to record videos on iPhone and say what I think. What are the aims of these videos? There are two aims. First of all, I hope to describe situation in Russia from point of view of citizen of Russian Federation. Perhaps you are exposed to propaganda from Russia. In this case, you need to know more truth. The second aim is to get out from Russia to country of Western civilization. The best option for me is to become citizen of USA. I don't know how to get out from Russia. I applied for a green card to become a US citizen 4 times and never won. Last year I applied the 5th time. I can't stand living in Russia anymore. I don't want to live in a country where Putin is president. I don't want to speak the same language as Putin speaks. I don't want to use Cyrillic alphabet. I don't want my children to be forced to speak Russian language and go to Russian-speaking schools. I don't want to be part of рюский мир or become rosиянец. I don't want to be part of Russian civilization. I don't want to work for Russian companies. I don't want to pay taxes to Russian government. I will describe these things in more details in future videos. But first of all, let me explain what I mean when I say Western civilization. By Western civilization, I mean lots of civilized countries. According to my opinion, countries of Western civilization are European Union countries, UK, USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, Israel, and maybe some other countries which I didn't mention. I think the countries of Western civilization can be examples of countries where less developed countries can aspire. In majority of cases you have democratic political regimes, you have liberalism and multiculturalism, you have human rights, people in your countries are free from politically motivated persecution, and so on and so forth. We don't have these things in Russia. We don't have democratic political regime here. Instead of it, we have Putin's dictatorship. We don't have liberalism and multiculturalism in Russia. Instead of it, indigenous communities and ethnic minorities in Russia are forced to speak Russian language and are subjected to ethnocide and lignocide. We don't have normal human rights, which you have in your developed countries of Western civilization. We don't have free and fair elections, by means of which it is possible to change Putin's political regime. I want to be part of Western civilization. I don't want to be part of Russian civilization or русский мир. I dream to get out from Russia and come back to Bashkortostan when there is no Putin. It is a very important sentence, I will repeat it one more time. I dream to get out from Russia and come back to Bashkortostan when there is no Putin. What is Bashkortostan? Bashkortostan is my fatherland. It is the republic on the Ural Mountains between Europe and Asia, and it is part of Russia now. I will speak about my fatherland in more details in future videos. Thank you for your attention. This is From Russia with Hope, and good luck.